Spring has sprung, a leak. Let me tell you a story about a customer that just came back from a vacation where they walked into the house and water was all over their basement floor. One of the things that had happened is a pipe had burst while they were gone, causing a lot of damage in their home. We use the mow and flow device, and we acknowledge that that works really well, because had you had that device, it would have shut down the water, minimized the damage, and decreased your exposure for your insurance company. Take a look at the mow and flow, and if you want to know more information, give us a call. As we keep working on things around the house, we've given you a great DIY spring maintenance checklist. Go out there and use that. Take a look at a few things around the house. There are a lot of things that you can do on your own and take a look at just to prevent things from happening to your home that may cost you a lot of money down the road. That DIY spring checklist will help you spring into the spring and make things happen well. The other thing we've talked about is bringing the outside and bringing it inside. And what we're doing is we're doing a lot of little things outside. A lot of us love to sit on the outside and enjoy a great outdoor living space. There are some small things you can do to enjoy your outdoor living space even more. And as we get out there more and we have more decks that we want to work on or look at, we can help you out with that, but there's also some great DIY things you can do to make sure that you've got a great outdoor living space that you enjoy. One of the things we love to do here is give back, and we've given back to the community of the Champions Place. These are active disabled adults that we help give back to and volunteer our time to help keep up their facility and keep up people in their homes. The translation for us has been helping with you in the aging in place. If mom and dad are coming down to visit, maybe mom and dad are coming to move in, we can help you get that house ready to go so we can minimize trip hazards, increase the lighting, and decrease any potential opportunities for injuries. At the Trusted Toolbox, we're always learning about the building science and love doing things around the house that help you enjoy your home. We hope you have a great spring, and we'll talk to you in May.